Okay, quick update on my BMW N57 Rebuild. So I was kind of busy doing something else while I was waiting for the parts. So I renewed the concrete floor in this garage here. But now I'm finally getting back to it. All the parts have arrived. Got a new engine block, original BMW, and a bunch of other stuff. So let me quickly walk you through what all happened. So I've measured some of the other parts that I wasn't sure whether I can reuse them or not. So the connecting rods, these are the old ones. I measured the small end diameter, and I couldn't find the original BMW spec, but the total clearance between the pins and the cylinder, so this here, and the small end diameter was between 50 and 60 micrometers, which appeared to be more than what it's supposed to be, at least what is generally recommended. And so I ended up ordering new connecting rods. I just measured let's start with the small end. So the small end, the pin is around 31.992, so 8 micrometers under the nominal spec. At least in the center, and it was pretty consistent across all 6 cylinders. And then the small end, it's on the old one here, it's wider in. So now I confused myself. I can't remember anymore. It was definitely, this is not round. I can't remember which one was longer, but certainly what was clear is that in this direction where most of the forces are acting, the old one has around 15 micrometers more play than the new ones. So that's why I decided to buy the new ones, because the total play of like around, basically this was, I think, 45 micrometers over. So it was basically 32.045. And together with this being 8 under, so 31.992, you had the total clearance of around 50 to 60 micrometers. And so with this one here, this is now down to probably more like 40. I just have to measure the pins. That's pretty much that. And the big ends, I just measured them. They actually pretty much indistinguishable. So even the old ones are completely in spec. They're around, I think, like between 2 and 5 micrometers. So basically they're 3.605. That's roughly what they are. So that's that. Then it's a new block. I still have to measure the main bearings here. I mean, I hope they're in spec, but just for curiosity, I'm going to measure them, compare them to the old block. Then quick update on the camshaft carrier. I just had to get new camshafts. I bought these Kolbenschmidt ones, which appear to be I hope they're going to be good quality. They looked like everything is fitting and it's the right dimensions. They seem to be built a bit differently. So this is thicker material there, but otherwise it all looked good. The main reason why I decided to replace them is because the old ones have significant wear on here. Most of it doesn't catch. Actually, with the gloves you can feel it, but some of them catch a fingernail. Definitely the old camshaft carrier assembly is pretty worn. So these have definitely grooves that catch a fingernail. It's worst here on this one here because I think it's pulling it down with the chain, and otherwise obviously the upper ones are worse. The upper shells, because that's where they have to work against the rocker and the valve springs. So yeah, I've got a new assembly there and 2 new camshafts. Then maybe a quick update on the block itself. I just compared it. All these threads here and stuff seem to be the same. I think I have to take this bolt out because this is open here, so it's gonna be fine. Otherwise, it comes with it comes with all the pistons, so they look like this in here. I haven't measured them yet, but and there was one oil spray nozzle thing that was actually in there. All the other oil spray nozzles are actually not in there, so I have to reuse them. And that's pretty much all I can say so far. Also, it doesn't come with these alignment things. So next I'm going to measure the main bearing diameter here, see if that's in spec, and also see how the old one's looking, and then I'll start assembling.